This RC car is so small.
What's up everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this new product from WLtoys. It's the WLtoy 32, 22, 21 model, which is a 132 scale RC car. From the box, it says that this car has a 2.4 GHz controller, is a two-wheel drive, and is proportional with lights. So let's get it out of the box and see whether the box is telling the truth or lies. What's inside the box is of course the car itself, a standard WLtoys V1 controller with steering trim, some accessories including the battery charger, screwdriver, some cones, and a set of spare spring. I think it's for the suspension. Also, it comes with a dual language manual which has Mandarin and English. So for the car, it's actually powered by a tiny motor at the rear, so it's a rear wheel drive. And it has some tiny suspension over here, you can see. For the front as well, it has a tiny spring over there. I can't tell much about the electronics because I really can't figure out a way to remove this shell from the chassis. I think it's fixed. Now, let's just turn this car on and see whether it's really proportional as the box says. To turn on the car, you just push this button over here. Then you can see all the lights blinking. Oh, it has quite some lights also. Then turn on the controller. Okay, so let's test the steering. Okay, it's really proportional. And the throttle. Okay, the throttle is proportional as well, and the box is not lying. This is a fully proportional 132 RC car, which is pretty rare, I would say. So next, we'll be hitting the road and see how it performs on road.
It is quite fast. Oh, it's splash-proof. Do you think it can do a loop-the-loop? Apparently not. What about climbing a slope? This is full throttle forward. But it is still too weak. Full throttle backward. No luck. Testing the handling. Oops. Let's try again. Finally.